Hello guys, sharing the beauty of this place for all the nature lovers. You can visit here in Lago Maggiore. Look at that behind me. So nice. Hiking in this area is so healthy. This is the place that I love. All greens with the panoramic place. I feel like Jane. God bless you all. Bye.